Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Mr. Bond, where learning English is easy, simple, and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone listening. How are you today, Anna?
I'm feeling really good today. I had a slow, calm morning. I woke up early, stretched a little, and made a light breakfast. So now I'm relaxed and excited for a nice conversation.
That sounds wonderful. I also feel good today. I don't know why, but sometimes you just wake up with a good feeling.
Yes, I know that feeling. Maybe the weather is helping?
Definitely. It's very sunny here. Not too hot, not cold, just perfect weather. Days like this make me feel happy, awake, and energized.
I love sunny days too. When the sun is out, everything feels lighter. Even simple things feel nice. So, Tom, tell us, what did you do this morning?
Well, I woke up around 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and then I made breakfast. Just a simple breakfast today. Cereal, milk, and, of course, coffee.
Coffee. Yes, morning coffee is very important.
It really is. It helps me wake up and focus. What about you? What did you have for breakfast?
I had scrambled eggs with toast and a cup of tea. I prefer tea over coffee. It feels lighter.
Oh, right, you're a tea person. Do you put milk in your tea?
Yes, just a little. It tastes smoother. After breakfast, I decided to go for a short walk in the park near my house.
That sounds lovely. Was it quiet?
Very quiet. Just birds singing, tall green trees, and a few people walking their dogs. The flowers in the park are beautiful right now. Yellow, red, and white, very colorful. It felt peaceful.
I love parks in the morning. They make the day feel fresh and positive. I didn't go outside today, but I stayed home and read a book.
Reading in the morning is also nice. What book are you reading?
It's a book about animals, lions, elephants, tigers, big animals. The pictures are incredible.
I love books with pictures. They make reading more fun and relaxing. Do you read every morning?
Not every morning, but maybe 2 or 3 times a week. It helps me start the day calmly. What about you? Do you like reading?
I do, especially at night before bed. It helps me relax, but in the morning, I prefer walking or listening to music.
So, Anna, what are your plans for today?
Hmm, after this recording, I think I will clean my kitchen, then maybe cook something for lunch. If I still have energy, I might go to the store later.
Oh, good. I also plan to go to the supermarket. I need fruits and vegetables.
Healthy. What fruits do you like?
Apples and bananas. Simple and easy. What about you?
I love strawberries, mangoes, and oranges. They're so fresh and sweet.
Mangoes. I love mangoes too. And after the supermarket,
Maybe I'll watch a movie later in the evening. Something simple, something fun.
speaking of movies, I think I'll also watch one tonight. Probably a comedy. I need something funny to end the day.
Comedies are great. Laughter is good for your heart and your mood. What kind of comedies do you like?
I like stories where two funny characters go on a silly adventure. They make mistakes, they get into trouble, but it's all funny and light.
I like movies about animals, especially dogs. They're so cute and smart. There's something warm about animal movies.
Do you listen to music a lot?
Yes, almost every day. I like calm music. Piano music, soft acoustic guitar. It helps me focus.
That's nice. I like pop music, something upbeat. Sometimes I even dance in my kitchen.
Laughs, I can imagine you dancing while making breakfast.
It happens more often than you think.
Speaking of animals earlier, Tom, do you have any pets?
Not right now, but I really want a dog someday. A friendly, medium-sized dog. I want to take it for walks in the morning.
That would be amazing. Dogs bring so much joy. I have a cat, remember?
Yes. What's her name again?
Luna.
Luna. Beautiful name. What color is she?
She's white with blue eyes. Very calm, very gentle. She sleeps a lot, though.
That's cats for you. They love to sleep. But they're great company. So let's talk about family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger sister. We're very close. We talk every day, even if it's just a short message. What about you?
I have an older brother. He's funny and very good at cooking. Every time I visit him, he makes pasta.
Homemade pasta? That sounds delicious.
Oh, it is. And after dinner, he always makes dessert. Last time, he made chocolate cake.
Tom, stop. You're making everyone hungry again.
Sorry, I can't help it. The cake was amazing.
My family lives close to me, so we see each other often. We have a barbecue almost every Sunday. We eat, talk, play games, laugh. It's always fun.
That sounds perfect. Spending time with family is really important.
So, Tom, do you like traveling?
I love traveling. Seeing new places opens your mind. If I could choose a place right now, I think I would visit Japan.
Japan. Why Japan?
The culture, the food, the temples, the cherry blossoms, everything looks beautiful. It's a dream trip for me.
Oh, yes, Japan is beautiful. I want to visit Italy someday.
For the food,
Of course. Pizza, pasta, gelato, everything. And the cities are stunning. Rome, Florence, Venice. I want to see them all.
we're both food lovers, Anna.
Yes, we are. But you know what? Even simple things are enjoyable, like talking with a friend.
I agree. This conversation is a great example of real daily English. Simple questions, simple answers.
Exactly. Anyone can do this. Talk about your day, your plans, your family, your breakfast, so many topics.
I hope our listeners enjoyed practicing with us today.
Me too. And now we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what did you do today?
And don't forget to subscribe to English with Mr. Bond so you never miss an episode.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing and have fun learning English.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.